Worldwide, rural communities face interrelated economic, social, and ecological challenges. Often unable to get external assistance, some of these communities form community-based enterprises, or CBEs, to address these issues. But why do only some communities succeed in solving their problems by means of enterprises that are collectively established, owned, and controlled by members of the local community? By studying 2 community-based pubs in rural Germany, researchers found that to successfully establish a CBE, locals must believe in their capacity to solve the problem together, be willing to invest their private resources, and sustain commitment over long periods of time. And a collective village identity, and more specifically, an acute threat to that identity, serve as important catalysts to initiate these 3 prerequisites. But does this mean that any village with a strong identity can establish a CBE? Research says no. To sustain the commitment over time, locals need to develop a new collective identity as an enterprising community by creating shared artifacts, implementing rituals, and celebrating achievements. In many rural communities, pubs aren't merely places to drink. They're social centers that strengthen community and generate social capital. As villagers build new pubs together, they develop a new identity defined by solidarity, collaboration, trust, and collective agency, all anchored in the evolving enterprise. Wondering how locals solve local problems? If so, then you may want to read this paper.